Now the students, after the last video lecture, the next question is derive the vector formula of electric force. Last time we discussed the scalar formula of electric force, which is F is equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square, simply for a air medium or a vacuum medium. But this time we will discuss the vector form of electric force. Now first of all, what is vector? As we know in 11th science, vector is equals to magnitude multiply by unit vector of its own direction. Means suppose that is vector A and the second vector which is in the direction of A is vector C, then we can write vector A equals to mod of A into C cap. Cap represent which vector? Unit vector. Which vector? Unit vector. Now in xy plane, here we have to draw 3 dimensions. We can draw the 3-dimensional, but we have the 2 point charges, that is stationary point charges. As we know that Coulomb's law is only useful for stationary point charges, is never used for moving charges, it never used for large bodies. So Q1, first point charge is Q1 and it's a position vector with respect to origin is vector R1, and second point charge Q2 and its a position vector is vector R2. As we know that between the two same sign of charges, means between two positive charges, the repulsion force is acting. That is the particle 1 and that one is the particle number 2. First point charge, second point charge. Now the first point charge applying the electric force, repulsion type of electric force on charge Q2 is drawn like this, F21. We know this concept in gravitational field, chapter number 8 in 11th science, in terms of gravitational force. So the electric force applied by Q1 to Q2 is what? F21. Similarly, the repulsion type of electric force applied by second point charge to the first point charge is F12, and the distance between these 2 point charges is what? R. Now here between F12 and between F21 we want to find F21. You can also obtain F12, but according to the theoretical demand we will obtain F21. So we have to draw a vector, a specialized vector which joins Q1 to the Q2 like this. Its head is connected to the second point charge and its tail is connected to the first point charge. And as we know that the coordinate of vector is head minus tail, so this vector can be represented as vector R2 minus R1. R2 is position vector of head, R1 is position vector of tail. Clear? Here we want to obtain which force? F21. Which type of force? F21. So the direction of F21 and the direction of R2 minus R1 is same. That's why according to the vector formula we can write that vector F21 is equals to mod of F21 into vector R2 minus R1 the cap. As per the vector definition, vector R2 minus R1 is also denoted by vector R21. So vector R2 minus R1 the whole cap can be written like this. So that vector f21 can be given as mod of f21 into r21 cap. Now what is magnitude? So magnitude we know from previous lecture, like f is equals to k q1 q2 by r square. So it is also given by f21, k q1 q2 by r square. From the figure, in that figure you can see that r distance r and r2 minus r1 vector having same length, they having same length. So that from figure we can write r is equals to mod of r2 minus r1. So f21 is equals to mod of f21 into r2 minus r1 the cap. So f21 is equals to k q1 q2 by r square, and it is given by the formula r2 minus r1, as we know that the formula of unit vector in 11 science. In 11 science, unit vector can be given as n cap is equals to vector n upon mod of n. So that we can write this one. But r is equal to mod of r2 minus r1. R is equal to mod of r2 minus r1. So at the place of r we can write this mod of r2 minus r1 the square, r2 minus r1 upon mod of r2 minus r1. It is square, it is 1 power, so it becomes k q1 q2 by mod of r2 minus r1 the whole cube into vector r2 minus r1. That is f21. But how can we remember? So 2 and 1, 2 is forward, 1 is backward. So the 2 is forward, that's why r2 is forward. 1 is backwards, that's why 1 is backward. 2 1, that's why 1 2. If suppose we have the formula like this, f24, then we can write the formula like this, k q2 q4. Front side is what? 2, back side is what? 4. So it can be written as vector r2 minus r4 the whole cube into vector r2 minus r4. That is vector side, that is mod of whole cube, and that one is vector formula of electric force. That's it.